My name is Jalen.
And my name is Devon.
And we go to Martin Luther King Elementary.
And today we're going to be cooking tortilla soup in the instant.
3 Mexican peppers.
In the
one can of tomatoes. 1 cup of chicken broth. And 3 garlic. 3 things of garlic. And we have 1 onion in here.
Now we will put our chicken on the weight to make sure it is 2 pounds. Okay. Now we will place our chicken inside of our Instant Pot.
And make sure you leave it on for 3 minutes and start.
Now we will wait 3 minutes for our chicken to crisp. Chicken tortilla soup. Now we're going to add our seasoning mix of salt, pepper, cumin, and oregano. Next we will add our
chicken noodle soup, chicken broth,
and the rest of our chicken broth. Now we will add our chili puree. Sorry.
And so now we are about to put in the bay leaves.
This is our 4th part of our chicken tortilla soup. And now we're going to add some of our chicken. Well, all of it.
Okay, so
now for our 5th part of our chicken tortilla soup, we will turn on our Instant Pot. First, we will press our soup. Then we will go up to 20.
We only need to add 20 kids.
Minutes, right?
Minutes.
It keeps starting over.
What are you?
Hi, this is our part 6 of our chicken tortilla soup. As you see, or don't see, our pressure point thing has gone down, and it is safe to open the pot, but as children, we will not be opening the pot. We'll have our teacher come open the pot, our teacher come open the pot. Hi, this is our part 5 of our chicken tortilla soup.
Okay, and so what this is helping you know when to take the steam out. So it's counting up to 15 minutes, and then when it counts to 15 minutes, we can release the steam out of the Instant Pot.
And here we have all of our items that we are able to put on your soup. We have avocado, chips, and cheese and sour cream.
Okay.
And now our teacher is shredding the chicken, and she will insert it back into our soup, and we will come back and show you the end. Today we would like to introduce our audience for helping us make this show better. We have our E students to help us.